Vessel to crane operator, commence lift on starboard side. Copy that, commencing lift. Steady on the swing, watch the waves. Understood, adjusting for swell. All clear, proceed. Crane operator, begin controlled descent. Steady as she goes, watch the sway. Lowering complete, aircraft secured. Engine clear, launching now! Lift off, good climb! Jets washed, time to get airborne. Climbing in now, systems check. Canopy down, ready for launch. Easy now, bring her down steady. Alignment good, keep it coming. Touchdown, secure the cables. Move in, pre-flight on the nose section. Copy, systems check initiated. Check the intakes, report any debris. On it, looks clear. Alignment pins are set, checking hydraulics. Copy that, nose gear next, time is critical. Gear pins are locked, no leaks, good. Pre-flight checklist, I'll be in the cockpit. Understood, systems are green. Clearance is good, now for the torque. Alignment confirmed, moving on. Strut alignment and hydraulics check out. Tires at optimal pressure, no leaks. All clear, moving on. Connection secure, running final diagnostic now. Checking the wiring harness, looks intact. Some minor wear on this connector. Panel shows light corrosion, needs cleaning. Overall condition is good, continuing. Initiating laser scan on forward fuselage. Scanning complete, moving to the midsection. Side panel scan engaged. Latching sequence complete, canopy secure. Proceeding to systems check. This seam here is showing some wear. I'll log it for review. Moving along the fuselage, the rivets appear secure. This section needs a closer look. No major issues so far. The canopy seals look intact. Check the latches. Copy that. Latch mechanisms are secure. Good. Run the diagnostic on the HUD. HUD diagnostic is running. All green. Excellent. Let's move on to the next check. Pre-flight sequence initiated. Systems check. Canopy closing. Ready for engine start. Control, this is Eagle 1. Pre-flight checks complete.
Copy, Eagle 1. You are cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Roger. Crew, systems are green. Let's make this a clean launch.
Yes, sir!
All right, let's move. Check the hydraulics on the port wing. On it, sir. Team, this is it. The mission is a go. Understood. All systems are green. Good. Stay tight and watch for bogeys. Mount up!
Yes, sir!
Time to fly. All systems green. Ready for launch.